Good morning. I've been wanting to get one of these on film for a while. Sitting up in that tree there. I can focus in a bit at a time. And try and hold this camera still. There's a beautiful, oh Christ, sorry. Beautiful white-breasted sea eagle. I'm in full zoom here, so the camera's jiggling around. There he is up there, in what I call the eagle tree. This is, I think, the second biggest eagle in Australia, just after the wedgetail. They're a big, beautiful bird. This is an adult, full adult. Take a few years before they develop that entirely white breast. Up until then, they're sort of a mottledy brown colour. This guy's sitting up in the tallest tree they can find, like they usually do. They're also called the fishing eagle. They build huge nests, which they add to every year. There's one near where I live, up past Tabagai Point. I haven't seen myself, but I've been told that it's pushing 3 metres tall. Massive big bundle of sticks up on the cliff. Like I said, these are a big bird, so they can take fairly weighty items off the water. They'll also they've also been known to take rabbits, and I heard a classic story of one taking a little dog off a beach, like a chihuahua or something. I wish I'd seen that, I really do. Anyway, I'm down at the northern tip of Kalala Beach, or on Jarvis Bay I should say. And I see this bloke often when I'm down this way. They really are a beautiful bird. I'll just pull back slowly to show you where he's situated. This is this long strip of coastal tea tree scrub and other stuff, and sticking out of it at the northern tip is what I call the eagle tree. It's the tallest tree in this whole strip, and this is where this bloke lives. As you can see, it's a beautiful part of the world. It's sparsely populated too. And that eagle sits up there with his eagle eye, just watching for anything he can pick up. I once saw this guy take a fish that was almost as big as he was, and then used so much energy trying to drag it up that when he dropped it, he didn't have enough vigour to go back and get it. So this big dead fish lay on the surface. If I'd had a boat, I would have gone out and got it. There you are. White-breasted sea eagle, or the fishing eagle. I don't have his Latin name on the tip of my tongue at the moment, but Aussie birds rock. See ya.